Hello? No, I'm not changing my name yet. Lol. So, PLZ, don't get mad at me, but I am going to do some MEP parts. I'll try to, and edits. But it'll do animations still. SRRY spelling. Yum, when I did the Infinity Plus 80 subs thing, I liked the editing, so I'ma do some stuff like that. Bye. Ignore my bad spelling from now on, BTW. Wait, second thoughts. Also, I'm changing my name to Lo-Fi Cat because I like lo-fi music. I promise I'll try to keep it for a month or so, haha. Oop, I mean lo-fi line, sorry, lol.